Hi, this is the new NAM5210 series radio. We have in 7-inch, 9 and 10 inches. This is the 10-inch unit, as you can see from the palm of my hand. This is a very big screen. This has all the inputs like the Nakamichi now used to give to us, video inputs, audio inputs. We have the unit connected. As you can see, this is a really big unit. It is also a very slim unit. See the radio, the Easy Connect app, so you can pair your phone by cable or wireless with Android or iPhone. Then we come back here. You can also pair your cell phone by Bluetooth, and you can go for the music. Here, as you can see, we have the music playing. I just have one speaker right here to show that this works. Let's have this music, it's one. You can go direct to Google Maps. You can go to your radio app. Let's put the music again from the MP3. Let's put a new one. Let's have this music. You can go here and see the other apps. As you can see, we have a lot of apps installed here. We have the YouTube, we have Netflix, we have TikTok, we have Waze, and we have Likey. You can install as many apps as you want. And this is the DSP app. This is not a true DSP built-in. It's like a heavy asteroid equalizer. You can come here and choose the balance and fades that you want, and in here you can choose the low pass filter and the high pass filter. So for instance, if you are going to have a subwoofer plug in here, you can have your low pass filter connected here and the high pass filter also here, that you want to leave it to the 20k range, so you can have everything playing from here. Going back, you can see the other apps here. You can go also here for the car apps. You can get and pair the Bluetooth, the steering wheel connection, and we will also have the CAN bus interfaces and the faces for these radios. Hope this video helps you to decide if you want a radio like this. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.